Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin right inside the chat. Initiate a video call so screen sharing is allowed. Once you tap the call icon, WhatsApp will request camera and mic access. Grant them promptly. On desktop, click the call button and allow device permissions in your browser or app. Make sure the person or group is ready to accept the call. After the call connects, you will see options to share. Prepare the window or app you want to show before you press share. Once the call is active, tap or click the Share Screen or Share Content button. This opens a chooser. You must decide. Share your entire screen, a specific app window, or a browser tab. Choose the minimal view to protect privacy. After selecting, confirm Start Sharing and return to WhatsApp. Your participants now see the chosen content. Keep an eye on audio settings and network indicators to maintain smooth playback, and stop or pause sharing if you need to switch apps. To finish, press Stop Sharing or end the call. Your display returns to normal and others no longer view your screen. If someone sees a black or frozen frame, first reselect the window or tab you shared. Often that refreshes the stream. If problems persist, stop the call, check app or browser permissions, and restart WhatsApp. Make sure OS-level screen capture is enabled. One quick troubleshooting tip: close unused apps that might interfere. Then reinitiate sharing to resolve common glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.